Good afternoon. In the group is integrantes is Nelson and William. Each instruction is going to touch the subject of radioactive specific in effect, and cause. Okay. Radioactive is a phenomenon that occurs spontaneously in nuclei of unstable atoms emitting a large amount of energy in the form of ionizing radiation. Okay, with the effects we have cause. In the cause have number 1. Human accidents, but above all the use of radioactive materials or the disposal of waste are the main cause of radioactive contamination. Number 2. And number 2 have exposed to a large dose of radiation. Number 3. And number 3 have radioactive elementary are produced into a memory. Number 4. In the number 4 have the event that causes the radioactive particles to fall to the ground in a phenomenon called nuclear precipitation. Number 5. And into number 5 have military and nuclear tests. They take place outdoors. With effects. With effects, number 1. Excess 6 Hg a person may even did after receiving treatment immediately. Number 2. Symptoms of acute radiation syndrome might include nausea, vomiting, heat, and diarrhea. Number 3. Mutants in genes. Number 4. It produces alteration in DNA, molecular RNA, and other biological components forming pairs of ions that can damage cellular structures. Number 5. Cause cancer, genetic defects in future generations. Okay, and beforehand to thank for to attention, pay to instruction. Thank you very much.